didactic video of how Minifix connector works. Follow this throughout. This is nylon socket. Place the nylon socket in its respective place and knock it with the soft hammer. This is the Minifix screw. Fix the Minifix screws in their respective nylon socket with the help of the given screwdriver. This is the Minifix housing. Make sure the Minifix housing is perfectly mounted in its hole. The arrow in the Minifix housing must be facing the hole in the side of the board. Place the dowel in the hole opposite to the Minifix housing and knock it using the soft hammer. Now, while fixing, make sure the Minifix screw is perfectly mounted. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. This is the difference between Minifix screw is unlocked and lock. Pick boards 4 and 13 and attach the auto hinges soft close. Pick board 1 and attach boards 2 and 3. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Place board 4 flat on boards 2 and 3. Make sure the smooth side of the boards are on the same side. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Pick board 5 and attach board 6. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Attach board 7 to board 5. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Attach board 8 to board 5. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Place board 9 flat on boards 6, 7, and 8. Make sure the smooth side of the boards are on the same side. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Pick board 10 and attach board 11. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Attach board 12 to board 10. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Place board 13, flat on boards 11 and 12. Make sure the smooth side of the boards are on the same side. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Now arrange all the fixed units as shown and attach them with the given screws using screwdriver. Pick boards 14, 16, and 17 and attach the bushes. Attach board 15 to board 14. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Attach board 16 to board 14. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Place board 17. Flat on boards 15 and 16. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Pick boards 18, 20, and 21 and attach the bushes. Attach board 19 to board 18. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Attach board 20 to board 18. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees. Place board 21 flat on boards 19 and 20. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees. Pick the bottom frames and attach to the already fixed unit. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Rotate the minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Attach the bushes with the given screws using screwdriver. Attach the bottom frames using given screws and tighten the screws using screwdriver. Fold the soft, close hinges and carefully flip the unit. Place the backboards 22, 23, and 24 on fixed unit. Make sure the screw holes is perfectly aligned and tighten them with the given screws using screwdriver. Now turn the unit upright. Open the soft hinges and attach board 25 with the given screws using screwdriver. Follow the same steps for boards 26. Your product is ready to use.